AI Futures is a program that is designed to help students discover opportunities within the Department of Defense from a civilian perspective. So if they're looking for an internship or a full-time opportunity, we meet with them to figure out where they are in their collegiate career and being able to match that with potential opportunities that already exist. The biggest surprise is just how many layers are within the Department of Defense, and seeing the students' faces light up when they realize that, wow, maybe I do have a place within this.
You're getting incredibly passionate people that want to work for the federal government. No, you don't have to put a uniform on. You can start as a college student in an internship and essentially become a full-time employee. We get students to filter into our portal.
We have these one-on-one conversations. We're meeting them at career fairs, we're meeting them at hackathons, and then the more information you give them, the more excitement that they get. You're inspiring them in a way that you never thought possible.